this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical, and today I want to continue a little discussion on sleep posture and particularly sleep habits. So if you didn't catch my video last week, I discussed about how actually having the right sleep posture when you're sleeping can make a big difference in your outcomes if you're having neck or back pain. But I want to take that a little step further today. If you didn't see Dr. Bone's post earlier this week, he talked about some nutritional supplements and little tips you could have as far as to help you sleep better. And I just want to echo a couple things on that. One thing I found in research that was really fascinating to me was that they've actually found your deep REM sleep is actually those sleep better in that state if your mattress is facing north to south instead of east to west. So that was really fascinating. Also, make sure you're sleeping in a cool environment. Most people sleep better between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, so you want to make sure you're comfortable to be able to sleep as best you can. And also, the last thing I want to mention is the electronic devices. So we all have cell phones, the majority of us do, tablets. So limiting that exposure about an hour before bed can actually help you sleep better, because what they found is the blue light in those phones actually inhibit the melatonin production, so it'll keep you awake. So just those little tips, like instead of if you're on the phone a lot before bed, just try to limit that about an hour. Look to alternatives like a magazine or a book, and those little things combined together can really make you sleep better. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please be sure to comment below. And also we'll have additional tips in this on sleep habits. So I hope you guys have a great week. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.